Okay, welcome back. You have just finished processing your cryo-EM data. You have a beautiful map. It's 1.5 angstroms, and now you want to fit it out and find out which amino acids fill out your map. What is your protein structure? Now, the traditional way of doing this is with Phoenix and then refinement in Coot. But there's actually a different way to do this now, developed by Shaw Shears's lab, and it's called ModelAngelo. And ModelAngelo works kind of like AlphaFold, but also it considers your map on a voxel by voxel basis. So it's extremely powerful and utilizes what we already know about proteins and their structure. So it's really straightforward to run, and I'm going to show you how to do it. If you navigate to wherever it is that you saved my workshop files, and if you go ahead and open my cheat sheet, you will find details on how to run ModelAngelo, and you'll see there's not many details because it's actually really easy. ModelAngelo has the option to fit out your map with or without a FASTA file, which is very handy. So if you have the FASTA sequence, you can run it with it, but you don't necessarily have to. Now, it should be noted that ModelAngelo really, it's not going to work on something that's, less than 3.5 angstroms in resolution. So keep that in mind. You will need quite a high resolution EM map in order to run this in the first place. So let's launch ModelAngelo. Come up here. And ModelAngelo it doesn't have a graphical user interface, so bad luck, you'll have to run from command line. And this is the command we want to run. ModelAngelo, I want you to build into my map without a FASTA sequence. Then you have to add the path to your volume. And then you need to tell it what you want to output the files as. So this is a variable. This will be called whatever your volume is. And this is a variable. You can call this whatever you want. So if we head back to here, we go into the ModelAngelo folder, you can see this is that map, the map just here that I want to fit out. I've also got another map, and I have a FASTA sequence there too as options, but we're just going to keep this simple. And the best way to do this is to change the ModelAngelo directory to where these things live. Otherwise, you need to write a big long path along here from the very top directory to these locations. So I'd rather just change the directory to being in our ModelAngelo folder. There you go. You can see that it has in fact changed to the correct folder. Now, because all the information we need is there, you can copy this command, paste it in here, press enter, and that's it. It's as simple as that. So hopefully what you're going to see is that this has launched and is running. And we'll start to see more files sort of landing in our folder over here. It is quite a intense program, so it can take a little bit of time, but as you can see, it's started up now. It does take a little bit of time to run, so just let it run, and that's it. Thank you.